Okay, all right. So welcome everyone, and welcome to the channel. So I am Tungi Tungi. No, what I'm saying is I don't know. For the couple of hours, I'm saying Tungi Tungi. So today we are gonna do this OS command injection with our Tungi Tungi. Oh, this is a new word I just created. I don't know why I just did that. I'm just kind of like happy because for the first time in the history on my channel, I'm gonna complete a playlist, which is command voice command injection. This is very first time. I'm so excited. There's three labs we have solved, and there's only two labs. So this one is easy. This one is also easy, of course. In labs, I don't know when we will able to just go ahead do the command injection. I have did that, but in our VDP, and I was who am I? Just who am I is working, and another one is not working. I was okay. So let's go to lab and let's do tungi tungi with this. Okay. So after solving three labs, it's very obvious that the email won't have this whatever the OS injection. So we will just do that. And okay. Oh yeah. In the starting of this video, you have seen this one. Yeah, I have to just also demonstrate this. So there will be another video on this fishing. Go fish. Fish everyone like a noob, like a script kiddie. But fishing is really important when you are going for red teaming over that. So you should just know like some of the frameworks and everything. And yeah, this. All right, yeah, you can try this. You see this lock button here? This is private to me. So if you are thinking you will go and just okay, I will see all the documents. Nah, you can't, bro. You can't. I was also like you in the YouTube videos. I was also typing this, not just typing. This is giving to. There was some tool and extract the URL. Okay. Enough talking. Sorry, I got ADHD. No, I don't. Like, and no, nobody has ADHD. Everyone has that. So let's submit this form. Yeah, my burp is on. So all right, the burp is on. Yes. So where is that? The form. Yes, the form. And let's do tungi tungi with this. Okay, so we have email here, and what is our motive to just get like something DNS callback or something. This is out of band. All right. So yeah, tungi tungi, and see, this is what we have to do. Just that. So this payload uses NS lookup command to cause a DNS lookup to the specific domain. The attacker can monitor to see if the lookup happens to confirm that command was successfully injected. So let's inject that. How many minutes are there? There was something I just saw it. Did you I cancel it? Is my I'm still recording, right? Oh yeah. Okay, time to do tungi tungi. All right, so NS lookup, and then our collaborator. I guess I have copied that. Tungi tungi, and then do tungi tungi. All right, send it. All right, just one poll now. Let's poll it. Poll it! Yay! We got our from this IP. Yeah, this. Okay. The lookup was received from IP, and this is not absolutely this is not my IP. So we got it, and we can see. Yeah, congratulations! We just solved it, and that's happened. Tungi tungi. Finished, and I can do the another lab right now, but I want to do a series, some more videos, more views, and more. Nobody watches this, only maximum 50 views, but still, man, that looks like a perfect playlist, right? If someone or like older me will see my YouTube channel, I was like, oh yeah, the playlist, I was completing something. I was proud of myself. So that's it. And just 4 minutes. Like, please watch it. The fucking 4 minutes.